much, Joseph, for introducing me so well for the great gathering. Fellow Toastmasters and guests, good evening. Good evening. Did you all have a fantastic week?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. I had the most amazing week of the quarter. Because my boss was out, I managed to watch about 5 movies. And I'm not going to name those movies because I guess I'm the last one to watch those movies here. So I don't want to shame myself. But the theme of the week is completely set to me, I guess. You know, I can relate very well to the theme which we have. It means that if you are failing, that means you are learning, you are growing. The same thing happening with me throughout my Toastmasters. You know, I am the sergeant at arms at the normal meetings. Every week I come 100% prepared for my role. But when I come on stage, I forget some lines or some words of the book. I goof up while introducing the president, Sherian. So it has been happening for weeks, but ultimately I have a lot of learning to take back home. I learn a lot from my mistakes. Because at the end of the day, I want to be a good speaker, good debater. And when I speak about debaters, I think of a story. It's a fascinating story, 2015. You all must have heard about Harvard Speaking Society, right? It is a club of people who are in Harvard College of Public Speaking. They speak, and it is an institution for about 300 years, where people come up and practice. And this institute is winning the debates over and over again. You know, it has been happening for about 300 years, you know that. And the most prestigious prize of debate which happens in America, that is American Parliamentary Speech Organization. So year after year they have been winning so well. 2011 they were the champion, 2012 they were champion, 2013 they were champions, 2014 they lost in finals, 2015 they were again the champions. So they had a bunch of people who are highly dedicated, highly creative, and they put their best foot forward whenever they are on a speaking assignment. Now this team lost one of the speeches recently. This Harvard Speaking Society lost a speech to New York prison inmates. Would you believe it? This happened. Harvard Speaking Society lost a speech to New York prison inmates. How did that happen? These people, the debaters from New York Prison Society, were getting education from Ward School, which was very near to the backyard of the jail premises. And they were very much dedicated because they are on a serious crime. They are serving their, at least about 12 or 15 years of their time in jail. They formed a speaking unit. And they had done mistakes, bigger mistakes than what we talk about, the mistake which we are here. So these people were so dedicated. And they had resources, which are second-hand resources, you can call it, because they did not have the access to internet. So they had to rely on the warden to get the resources pretty much. And it was taking at least about 1 or 2 weeks of time. So they had trouble while preparing. And every individual knows here that debates can have agreement, disagreement, obstacles can come in your way, you can have a verbal fight, verbal spat. It took a bad turn on one fine evening. So the warden made a rule that the debate participant will be allowed to meet for only 2 hours in a week. That's it. They had to meet for just 2 hours in a week and had to prepare. But look at the kind of determination, dedication which they had. They defeated the Harvard Speaking Society. And they have won at least about 600 debates in their life. That is the dedication which we speak about. So when I speak about great debaters, great speakers, one person comes into my mind who wanted to bring the good speakers, good talent, good debaters, good leaders, and that person is the founder of Toastmasters International, Dr. Ralph C. Smedley, who founded Toastmasters International on 22nd of October 1924 in Santa Ana, California. The first meeting was held at the basement of YMCA, Young Men Christian Association, in Santa Ana, California on 22nd of October. A typical Toastmasters meeting has 3 parts. First part is table topic, where any individual from the audience can be called upon the stage being asked to speak on a random topic for about 2 minutes. The second session is prepared speeches, in which the Toastmasters come prepared for the speeches, and they take the typical time duration is about 5 to 7 minutes for a speech, and these prepared speakers are evaluated by an evaluator. And to control the meeting proceedings, we have a general evaluator who takes care of the entire proceeding of the meeting. And today as a general evaluator, we have a person who is a competent communicator, who is an engineering student from one of the finest colleges in Bangalore. His passions are aero modeling and cycling. Put your hands up for Varun Dev.